In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to apply a promo code in Starbucks app. Let's get started. First, launch Starbucks app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now you can navigate to the orders page. Then browse the menu, select your favorite drinks or food items and add them to your cart. When you are ready, tap on the cart icon to review your order and proceed to checkout. Next, scroll down on the checkout page and look for the option that says add promo code or apply code. Tap on it, then carefully enter your promo code exactly as it appears and hit apply. If the code is valid, you'll instantly see the discount applied to your total amount. After that, just choose your payment method and tap on place order to complete your purchase. And if your promo code does not work, make sure to double check the spelling, expiration date, and terms of offer, since some codes only apply to specific items or accounts. And that's it. This is how you can apply promo code in Starbucks app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.